What's up guys, it's your girl Amaria Lisa, also known as Chocolate Curls, and today I'm going to be showing you all how I did the kind of photo shoot for my business page. I did all of the pictures, the shots, everything by myself. I had my models, of course, and I had my props, but all of this was kind of my idea. I did it myself, no photographer, just me. So basically I just want to show you guys how you can do a photo shoot at home with your camera or your iPhone. And I just want to prove to you guys that you don't need a studio, you don't need a professional photographer. You can do this at home. Like, I took super nice shots, and people don't believe me when I say that I kind of did all of this myself. They think that someone professionally did it, and I'm just going to show you all how you can get professional photos at home. Basically, I have cleared out this entire space in my living room. Got my ring light or some natural light. Got this big, nice light diffuser. Alright. Oh, along with that, you'll also need a curtain rod. And you'll also need your backdrop in whatever choice of color you want. I'll drop the link below of where I got this backdrop from. I want to say that this backdrop is about 5 feet tall, meaning that once I put it on the wall, it'll be like 5 feet wide. So you'll want your curtain rod to be longer than 5 feet, of course. And if you're wondering how I'm going to get all this set up, then look no further. I'm going to use some command strips. Make sure you get command strips that can hold 5 pounds. I will be using 2 of these, meaning they should be able to hold 10 pounds total. And I don't think the backdrop is heavier than 10 pounds. It is pretty heavy, but not heavier than 10 pounds. So as long as you get 2 of those 5-pound hooks, you should be good to put your rod in there and kind of have your backdrop hanging on that. So right now I'm just measuring where I want to put my command strips at so that I can go ahead and hang up my curtain rod and my backdrop. I promise this is such an easy setup. Like, this took me like less than 30 minutes to get done. All you'll need is the things that I've already listed, someone to kind of help you out to put this up, and just a few bucks, because this is super affordable at that. So you can have your own studio in your living room or in your bedroom, wherever you want, for like less than $50. And once you get those command hooks up on the wall and they're nice and even, you're going to want to go ahead and put your curtain rod through the middle of your backdrop. There is a hole of space for that. You can put your rod right through it and then go ahead and hang your rod up on those hooks. And I really apologize for the view here and that you can't see much, but I honestly did not plan on posting this. I just wanted to keep this for my memories. But as I was looking over it, I thought this would be super helpful for people out there that want to do their own photo shoot or just want to YouTube and things like that. So why not post it? I purchased my command strips from Walmart, and they are super sturdy. They held my backdrop up for my entire photo shoot. I actually had no problems with them, so I definitely do recommend them. This is my first time ever doing anything like this, so if you feel discouraged, don't. As you can see, I did it with no problem. Like, I have watched a YouTube video, and now I am making a YouTube video on how to do this yourself. When pulling out your backdrop, you want to be super cautious to not get any bends or rips, because this is paper. So you want to be super cautious and take your time when rolling it out. And once your backdrop is down and out, basically it's just time to take pictures now. As long as you have some good natural light. As you can see, I have my windows open, and I also have my ring light. I have my light diffuser to kind of take away any shadows or extra background light that I don't want there, and diffuse that light. Get some good light. You got your backdrop. Now all you'll need is a camera to get you going. I did begin my shoot with my actual products rather than models, because I didn't know how the photos and everything would turn out, and I can always fix product photos. I didn't want models to come full and ready to take pictures and it was all just for nothing. So I did start out with my products. So when you do it, try and start out with something small and then work your way up. So my product shots were taken on the ground. So roll out your backdrop long enough and put a nice piece of tape there so that it can be still, so that you can take those photos on the ground and have that nice pink background still. For my shoot, I went and picked up a few items from Walmart. I got this gold little can pail. I got a few leaves, some palm leaves, and I also got some carnation flowers. I got all of this for like less than $2 each. I want to say the green leaves are about $1.50, the flowers maybe $1.50, and then the gold pail like $1. So all of this is super affordable, like I said. I also have some craft paper stuffing, and this is all I'll be using for my photo shoot. I'll be finding ways to readjust these items and just make different shots with just these items here. At this point, it's just where you will let your own creativity flow, however you want to set up your photos, your items, your whatever you want to take with your backdrop, whatever video you want to make. It'll just be up to you. I am setting up for my first shot. I kind of improvise, and this is what my photos look like. Please be sure to follow us on Instagram for more. I hope you guys enjoyed. Comment below and let me know what you think, and don't forget to subscribe.